today is June 16, year 2024. It's already about 10:30. I'm going to run this PD boat. This is made by ABC Hobby. I'm using a 2S battery. I'm using only 20% power. It's so much powerful, you know. I only use 20%. Todo ko if I use a full power,
bilis
yan o,
mabilis.
nagbabibrate siya todo yan this is 100%. So I just drop it to about maybe 25%. There. Galing, ganda. The boat very light. I'm using a 2S LiFe battery. It's a 6.6 volts. Woo. Woo. The motor easily get hot. Maybe you can only play it for 5 minutes, then rest. Wow! If I use too much power, the boat's very shaky. So mas siguro maybe stuck up. Yata. Stuck up. Yeah. Let me show you. What happened? Oh, there, the stuck up na kanina. You can see the vine. There. Tika. Pero, ay, ito naman. Yan. I'm using only maybe 10%. Anyway, okay. It's now Xiao turn. Let's up. Okay. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.